Good morning friends, how are you? I hope all you are safe at your homes. Today I am going to discuss about an interesting topic of mathematics, that is number system. So before starting the class, please give me the answer of one question, that is what is number system? So yes, number system is a system in which we express any number by using digits or symbols. Or we can say that number system is a system in which we understand the concept of different number. So today I teach you the concept of number system by using a flow chart that will help you to understand the concept in a very easy way or in a very short period of time. So let's start our class. So friends, this is visible for you. This is the flow chart of number system. So I started from bottom. Here is natural numbers. So do you know what is natural number? Natural numbers are those numbers which is started from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity. So these numbers are called natural numbers. And natural numbers are of 4 types. First is even number. Even numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 2. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. All these are even number. Next is odd number. Those numbers which are not divisible by 2 is known as odd number. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 11. All these numbers are odd number. Third is prime numbers. Those numbers having 2 factors, 1 and the number itself is known as prime number. For example, 2. 2 is the smallest even prime numbers. Okay, 2 is the smallest even prime number. It has only 2 factors, 1 and 2. 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. All these numbers are called prime number. Next is composite number. Those numbers having more than 2 factors. For example, 4. 4 is the smallest composite number. So 4 having 3 factors, 1, 2 and 4. 6. 6 has 4 factors, 1, 2, 3 and 6. 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15. All these numbers are called composite number. Here 1 is neither prime nor composite numbers. Now when we include 0 with natural number, we get whole numbers. So whole numbers are those numbers which are started from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity is called natural number. Now we include 0. So it becomes whole number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity. Okay. Now when we include negative number with whole number, it becomes integers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity is called whole number. Now we include -1, -2, -3, -4 up to minus infinity. It becomes integer. Now fraction. Those numbers which are written in the form of a upon b, where b doesn't equal to 0 and the value of a and b are always natural numbers. And we know natural numbers are always positive. So fraction are always positive. For example, 2 upon 3, 9 upon 7, 6 upon 8, 12 upon 13. All these numbers are called fraction numbers. And when we combine integers and fraction, we get rational numbers. So what is rational numbers? Rational numbers are those numbers which are written in the form of a upon b, where b doesn't equal to 0 and the value of a and b are always integers. Okay, the value of a and b are always integers. In fraction, the value of a and b are always natural, and in rational number, the value of a and b are always integers. And we know natural number are always positive, but integers having both positive and negative. So rational numbers are both positive and negative. For example, -2 upon 3, 4 upon 8, 6 upon 3, -5 upon 7. All numbers are called rational numbers. So here we can say all fractions are rational numbers, but all rational numbers are not fraction numbers. We only positive rational numbers are fraction numbers. Okay, and the decimal expression of rational numbers are always terminating and non-terminating repeating. Okay, And next is irrational numbers. So what is irrational numbers? So those numbers which are not rational numbers are called irrational numbers. Or we can say that those numbers which are not written in the form of p upon q is known as irrational number. For example, root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, root 11, all these numbers are called irrational numbers. So here one question is arise. Every square root number is a irrational number. So no. Here root 4. Root 4 is the perfect square of 2. So we get 2. When we solve it, we get 2. And we can write 2 as 2 upon 1. And 2 upon 1 is a rational number. Similarly, root 9. Root 9 is the perfect square of 3. So we get 3 and we write 3 as 3 upon 1. So 3 upon 1 is a rational number. Okay, so the square root of all prime number is irrational number. And the square root of composite number is either prime or either irrational number or either rational number. Okay. Next is when we combine rational number and irrational number, we get real number. So real number is the combinations of all these numbers, or we can say that real number is the combination of rational and irrational numbers. So here we can say that natural number is also called real number. Whole number is also a real number. Prime number is also a whole number. Okay, so real number is the combination of all these numbers. Okay, now next is imaginary number. So those numbers which are not real are called imaginary number. Here I take one example. For example, 2 plus 3i. So here 2 is a real number and 3i is an imaginary number. For example, when we write root I, so here the value of I is minus 1. Okay, so this is imaginary number. So here, so number is categorized into two parts, real number and imaginary number. Real number is categorized into again two parts, that is rational number and irrational numbers. Here rational numbers is further divided into two parts, fraction numbers and integers. And then integers is further divided into two parts, negative numbers and whole numbers. Whole number is further divided into two parts, natural numbers and 0. Okay, so this is the whole concept of a number system. So thank you. Have a nice day.